The Langstroth hive, modular vertical expansion. Bees naturally build downward. This engineered wooden column utilizes strictly calibrated stacking boxes, allowing the colony to mathematically expand its structural footprint without destroying the internal biological architecture. The brood chamber, the biological thermal core. Located at the absolute base, this deep wooden box houses the queen. It acts as a massive thermal battery, allowing the colony to mathematically maintain an exact 34 degrees Celsius incubation temperature. The queen excluder, biological geometric filtration. The queen's thorax is mathematically larger than a worker bee's. This unyielding metal grid features exact millimeter-spaced gaps, physically barricading the queen in the lower chamber while allowing workers to seamlessly pass. The honey super, volumetric resource storage. Placed above the biological core, these shallower boxes isolate pure sucrose processing. By compartmentalizing storage, the beekeeper can extract massive heavy yields without mechanically crushing the fragile brood cells below. The wooden frame, structural geometric containment. Bees in the wild build chaotic, overlapping wax lobes. These rigid wooden perimeters force the insects to construct their hexagonal lattice strictly within a mathematically flat two-dimensional plane for absolute modular extraction. The wax foundation, algorithmic architectural blueprint. Bees consume massive energy-secreting wax. This embossed sheet provides a mathematically perfect hexagonal starting grid, chemically tricking the bees into instantly building structurally flawless, high-efficiency storage cells. The bee smoker, chemical olfactory disruption. Bees communicate danger through airborne alarm pheromones. Pumping cool, dense smoke into the hive physically masks these chemical signals, mathematically neutralizing the colony's biological defense triggers without causing structural harm. The hive tool, high-torque mechanical leverage. Bees synthesize propolis, an unyielding biological resin, to glue the hive together. This forged steel pry bar acts as a massive kinetic fulcrum, generating the exact mechanical torque required to cleanly shatter the resin bond. The apiary suit, kinetic sting barricade. A bee's stinger is a microscopic venom-injecting harpoon. This thick, woven cotton canvas forces a strict geometric standoff distance. The stinger mathematically cannot penetrate deeply enough to breach the human epidermal layer. The protective veil, optical mesh shielding. The human face is biologically vulnerable to venom-induced swelling. This rigid wire mesh creates an absolute 360-degree kinetic barrier, blocking high-velocity insect impacts while maintaining flawless optical transparency. Leather gauntlets, dermal puncture resistance. Human hands require fine motor skills, putting them directly in the defense zone. These thick, pliable goat leather gloves utilize dense cellular fibers to physically block microscopic stinger penetration without eliminating kinetic dexterity. The entrance reducer, defensive bottleneck. During predatory attacks, a wide door is a mathematical vulnerability. This notched wooden block severely restricts the opening, allowing a small guard force to physically barricade the localized kinetic choke point. The apiary brush, soft kinetic displacement. Sweeping bees off a frame with a hard tool violently triggers their defense response. These ultra-soft synthetic bristles apply exact low-friction kinetic displacement, physically rolling the bees away without causing microscopic injuries. The hive stand, thermodynamic air gap. Placing a wooden hive directly on the earth guarantees catastrophic fungal rot. Elevating the structure creates a critical physical gap, maximizing airflow and completely barricading the hive from crawling terrestrial predators. The oxalic acid vaporizer, thermal sublimation. Varroa mites destroy colonies. This heated metal wand instantly vaporizes solid acid into a dense crystalline gas, chemically eradicating parasites without harming the bees. The sticky board, biological density tracking. Placed beneath the hive, this grid uses adhesive to trap falling mites. It provides an exact mathematical count, calculating the colony's absolute parasitic threshold. The heated uncapping knife, thermal seal shearing. Bees cap ripe honey with airtight wax. This electrically heated blade executes a frictionless high-temperature shear, flawlessly slicing away the seal to expose the fluid. The uncapping fork, microcellular extraction. A knife cannot reach low spots. These rigid stainless steel tines physically puncture individual caps, utilizing localized kinetic leverage to tear the wax without destroying the structural comb. The centrifugal extractor, radial fluid ejection. Removing heavy honey by hand destroys the wax. This spinning steel drum uses massive centrifugal force to violently eject the viscous liquid without shattering the structural lattice. The double sieve, gravity particulate filtration. Raw honey contains wax and biological debris. This dual-layer mesh uses downward gravity to force viscous fluid through microscopic gaps, mathematically barricading all heavy solid impurities. The honey gate, hydrostatic viscosity control. Honey is an incredibly dense fluid. This mechanical nylon valve uses a sharp, shear-cut mechanism to instantly halt the heavy liquid flow, creating an absolute hydrostatic seal. The optical moisture calibration. Honey ferments if water content exceeds 18%. By measuring the exact angle of refracted light, this optical tool calculates the absolute mathematical moisture density of the fluid. The frame grip, kinetic lifting clamp. Bees glue frames solid with propolis resin. This heavy metal tong uses mechanical leverage. As you pull upward, the jaws mathematically tighten, generating an unyielding physical lock. The queen catcher, biological isolation clip. Finding the queen is critical. This spring-loaded clamp gently traps her. The exact geometric spacing of the teeth allows smaller workers to escape while keeping the queen mathematically secured. The queen marking tube, geometric tagging protocol. To track her age, the queen is marked. A soft sponge pushes her against a plastic grid, immobilizing her safely so a precise, standardized color dot can be applied. The bee escape board, one-way biological valve. Clearing bees before harvest is chaotic. This geometric insert acts as a mechanical diode. Bees navigate out of the honey box, but mathematically cannot find the return path. The pollen trap, mechanical particulate harvesting. Bees carry protein on their legs. This rigid grid forces returning foragers through exact 5-millimeter holes, physically scraping the pollen off and dropping the heavy biological particulates into a tray. The slatted rack, thermodynamic ventilation buffer. Heat forces bees out of the hive. Placed at the bottom, this slatted wooden grid creates a large, empty air volume, algorithmically increasing localized convection to cool the biological core. The solar wax melter, thermal phase transition. Old wax is dense with impurities. This sealed glass box acts as a passive solar amplifier. It traps infrared radiation, violently melting the wax to mathematically separate pure biological lipids. The grafting tool, biological microscopic transfer. Breeding queens requires moving microscopic fragile larvae. This surgical metal tool utilizes a retractable spoon to physically lift the exact curvature of the biological mass without triggering structural cellular death. The queen's cell cup, algorithmic biological synthesis. To trick worker bees into cultivating a queen, the geometry must be perfect. These plastic cups simulate the exact vertical orientation and spatial diameter required to trigger royal jelly production. The nucleus hive, microcolony thermal efficiency. A full hive dissipates too much heat for a newly mated queen. This 5-frame box drastically reduces internal volume, maximizing thermal density so a small population can mathematically survive. The quilt box, hydrostatic condensation control. Winter kills bees through freezing condensation, not cold air. This wood-shaving filled box captures rising biological vapor, mathematically absorbing the moisture before it can condensate and rain lethal freezing water down. The winter wrap, thermodynamic heat reflection. Extreme sub-zero temperatures penetrate wooden walls. This synthetic polymer wrap adds absolute wind resistance while reflecting radiant thermal energy back into the biological core, mathematically halving the colony's caloric burn rate. The mouse guard, macropredator kinetic barrier. Seeking thermal heat, rodents easily chew through wood. This stamped steel plate acts as an unyielding kinetic barrier. The exact geometric holes allow bee egress, but mathematically halt skeletal intrusion. The sugar fondant board, solid caloric sustainment. Liquid syrup freezes into lethal ice blocks. This solid slab of inverted sucrose rests directly over the biological cluster, providing an accessible, unyielding caloric fuel source driven by metabolic heat. The drone comb, biological parasite trap. Varroa mites mathematically prefer larger drone cells for reproduction. This specialized green foundation forces drone production, allowing the beekeeper to mechanically freeze and extract the frame, surgically destroying the parasite load. The cloak board, biological partition diode. This metal slider temporarily divides a hive, manipulating colony pheromones. It mathematically isolates the queen's chemical signature, tricking the upper half into emergency queen rearing mode without physically moving biological frames. The swarm trap, volumetric olfactory decoy. Catching wild colonies requires exact spatial mathematics. This 40-liter fiberboard cone replicates a hollow tree. Scented with synthesized pheromones, it chemically tricks a scouting swarm into accepting the artificial geometric void. Lemongrass pheromone lure, synthetic chemical mimicry. A swarm follows the ADE Nasonov gland's specific chemical signature. This concentrated essential oil perfectly mimics that exact hydrocarbon structure, acting as a massive biological beacon to draw wild swarms mathematically inward. The mitocyte strip, contact chemical transfer. Treating parasites requires sustained exposure. This polymer strip is infused with tau fluvalinite. As bees kinetically rub against it, the chemical transfers across the colony, mathematically disrupting the mite's microscopic nervous system. The frame spacer, geometric proportional alignment. Placing frames haphazardly destroys bee space. This rigid metal comb enforces exactly 35 millimeters of space between frames, mathematically preventing the bees from building chaotic, unextractable cross-comb structures. The vented inner cover, thermodynamic updraft generation. Summer heat melts wax structural integrity. This slotted wooden board creates a precise sealing gap. It relies on the physics of heat rising to establish a continuous, localized thermodynamic cooling draft. The digital hive scale, gravimetric mass tracking. Opening a hive disrupts thermodynamics. This high-precision load cell sits permanently underneath, wirelessly transmitting daily mass fluctuations to mathematically prove exactly when the colony hits maximum honey capacity.